Here we can see the combination of a filtration FA together with an ultrasonic bath. This setup enables continuous filtration of the bath liquid, especially when cleaning a large number of particles. The liquid is fed to this pre-filter through a three-way valve via the inlet of the filtration unit. This ensures that the pump is protected from coarse particles. The magnetically coupled pump then conveys the liquid into the fine filter, where the fine particles are also filtered out for treatment. The water then flows back into the ultrasonic tank and is available for the cleaning process again. The built-in pressure sensor monitors the status of the filters and indicates a filter change on the control unit. The filters used are commercially available and can be replaced quickly and easily. The overall design extends the service life of the bath fluid and thus saves cleaning chemicals and water for the entire process. The advantage of the low-particle ultrasonic solution is that we do not lose any ultrasonic power to the particles suspended in the water, but the total power is available for the items to be cleaned. This enables us to achieve reproducible cleaning results and thus guarantee optimum process quality.
More than clean, BANDELIN.